Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off the alarm on Redmi 13c device. Alarm is a reminder that is widely used by most people, so as not to forget an important agenda. And then if you have been activate the alarm on your device, and then you can turn it off in this way. First thing first, please open clock application. And then here please select the alarm. And then you can turn off active alarm by pressing this button. Okay, and then you can delete it by doing the steps. Okay, and then the alarm on your device is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off the alarm on Redmi 13c device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.